Porsche 917 fans, I just got done with Monday today, whatever the date is, 28th or something, 29th I think. I have the doors and the side pods of the body in place and fastened. So what I've got to do now is do those joints back there, connecting the rear of the car to those side pods, and then do all the finished fiberglass work on it and reinforcing, bondoing and sanding and stuff, and then it's going to get primed and painted. I spent yesterday 3 hours, I call it a jack day, 3 hours relocating the kill switch again. Now it's someplace that the corner workers and the driver can reach over and get to. It used to be over on the side pod in the back where that Zeus fastener is. I think, I don't know if I showed you, but I'll show you again anyway. I put those clips on there for the, I don't know, they're for drawers or whatever, I don't know what they're for. But those are for holding down the tail. You can see how that goes. And yeah, so it was like giving birth, getting this body straight, but I got to fiberglass this joint now on both sides. And I've got some news I shouldn't tell you, but there's a very good chance that I'm going to be invited to enter my car in the Concours d'Elegance at Lime Rock Park's Vintage Fall Festival on Labor Day. They have a lot of obviously $1 million cars out there, but it's like open to, by invitation, it's open to just about anything. Any restorations, new constructions, whatever, I don't know. Even replicas they let into this, and they do a judging and awards and whatever like that. But I want to get it out there so people can take pictures of it, people can take videos of it. YouTube gets full of it. I mean, this is Lime Rock's Fall Vintage Festival. You know, I'm hoping that online car magazine people will be there, and they'll be walking through the concourse looking at all the cars, and they'll see this. And I may see if I can get a poster made up that has, I'll write a picture of the car, the picture of the original car, and then write down the story of the car, so if I'm not standing around it, and I don't have to repeat it a million times, they can read it, plus they can go to I'll put the YouTube channel on there. But this could be the biggie. I figure I got 2 weeks to get this done. All I got to do is fiberglass that joint and get the body ready, and then prime it, and then paint it, put the decals on it. 2 weeks, come on. I know my days are no more than 3 hours long, but it's got to be 95 degrees in this garage right now. All right, so that's it, and that's the news. I'll catch you later.